Hello everyone, today we're going to explore the fascinating topic of how our beautiful blue planet Earth was formed. The process of how Earth came to be is a complex and intricate subject, but it's also incredibly exciting and worth understanding. At the beginning of the universe, there was just a vast, hot, and dense soup of matter called the Singularity. This soup of matter eventually cooled down and began to condense, forming the first atoms. These atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium, clumped together under the influence of gravity, and this process is known as nucleosynthesis. As the universe expanded and cooled down, the nuclei of the atoms started to merge together, forming even larger objects. The first of these objects to form were the stars, and they did so by capturing matter from the surrounding gas and dust. As the stars burned fuel and expanded, their nuclei continued to merge, and this process created even more heavy elements. Over billions of years, these heavy elements were fused together, under the control of nuclear reactions, creating even more complex and denser objects. These objects, known as planets, were too massive to be formed directly from the Singularity. So they must have been formed from the remnants of earlier stars. One of the key factors in determining the type of planet that could form was the temperature and pressure within the protoplanetary disk. The disk was initially hot and turbulent, but as it cooled down, it began to settle into a more stable structure. This allowed the formation of planets with the right compositions to support life. As the planets continued to form, they started to interact with one another and their Kuiper belts of ice and rock. These interactions caused the planets to change their orbits and eventually align themselves in an orbital path that would allow them to survive as a cohesive unit. Once the planets had formed and started to interact with one another, they began to experience geological processes that shaped the Earth as we know it today. Volcanic activity created the crust of the Earth, while plate tectonics moved the continents and created the magnetic field that protects our planet. In conclusion, the formation of Earth is a fascinating and complex process that took billions of years to unfold. From the initial formation of the universe to the emergence of life, Earth has been a cosmic masterpiece that continues to inspire and captivate us. As we continue to learn more about our planet and its origins, we can only marvel at the incredible story that is Earth.